海は青く眠り、大地に命芽生え、そして空が明日を夢見て、ほら生まれ変わった地球が目覚めの朝を迎える。
泳ぎの見けたって走る土を蹴り、
こんなに地球が好きだから、こんなに夜明けが美しいから。朝の光浴びて出会った命二つ、そして愛が心に芽生えて、ほら生まれ変わった二人が望みの朝を迎える。歌や声合わせ踊れ肩を組み、こんなに地球が好きだから、こんなに夜明けが美しいから。床で足を踏み、笑え手を叩き、こんなに地球が好きだから、こんなに夜明けが美しいから。海は青く眠り、大地に命芽生え、そして空が明日を夢見て、ほら生まれ変わった地球が目覚めの朝を迎える。
泳ぎの見けたって走る土を蹴り、
こんなに地球が好きだから、こんなに夜明けが美しいから。朝の光浴びて出会った命二つ、そして愛が心に芽生えて、ほら生まれ変わった二人が望みの朝を迎える。歌や声合わせ踊れ肩を組み、こんなに地球が好きだから、こんなに夜明けが美しいから。床で足を踏み、笑え手を叩き、こんなに地球が好きだから、こんなに夜明けが美しいから。海は青く眠り、大地に命芽生え、そして空が明日を夢見て、ほら生まれ変わった地球が目覚めの朝を の光浴びて出会った命二つそして愛が心に芽生えてほら生まれ変わった二人が望みの朝を迎える歌や声合わせ踊れ方を組みこんなに地球が好きだからこんなに夜明けが美しいから床で足を踏み笑え手を叩きこんなに地球が好きだからこんなに夜明けが美しいから
All right. Hey there, everyone. Welcome to the stream. This is Emerging Art. I'm a 3D artist and a huge anime fan. Today we are taking on a super nostalgic project, recreating one of my all-time favorite childhood anime as a fan art, and it is Future Boy Conan. This is going to be fun and nostalgic journey, and I can't wait to share my process with you. Whether you are here to hang out, learn some tips, or just vibe with me, you are in the right place. Feel free to drop your thoughts, questions, or your own favorite anime in the chat. I'd love to hear from you. Uh, let's fire up our imaginations, okay? And bring this anime to life together. So today I'm going to share with you the plan. This is to be considered as an intro to this series. I'm going to give like 30 minutes intro now, and then later, after 3 hours, we are going to start the actual stream of workflow. We are going to start. I'm going to lay down the plan for you. We are going to go through stages. The first stage is the sketches and concept. That one we already have, as we can see here. We have most of the character model sheets, but we don't have enough reference for 3D, so we are going to draw them. Something I did not do for a long time. We are going to draw the reference model sheet. Not a turnaround, we're just going to have a front-facing view, side-facing view for each character, and maybe some other things. We're going to draw them by ourselves. We are going to stream that also. We start with some quick sketches to lay out the idea and capture the essence of the characters or scene if we have to. After that, stage 2, we are going to do the base work. We are going to block out the shapes of each element of the anim, the foundation, as you may say, for the piece, for the any each piece we are going to do. After that, we are going to do some details and you can say refinements. This is where the actual work is going to do. We are going to add textures, refining lines, and making everything pop. After that, the final touches, we're going to polish it all up, adding lightning and bring the piece to life. The idea is to model everything in the anime, and then we are going to place them in scenes, maybe do small animations here and there. But my goal is to animate every element. After that, we are going to the final stages. To the actual final stage is for me to recreate the whole anime. Like for example, this is as we know, Conan is a character we know in the anime, and all the elements of the story are there. But we are going to create our own story of a similar events, not totally similar, but in a different location, um, in the that universe Earth. For example, let's assume this is a Japanese because this is a Japanese anime. Let's assume the events of Future Boy Conan is happening in the vicinity of Japan, and these characters are obviously Japanese. So, what if these characters or similar events are happening in, let's say, different location on Earth? Earth is big, so I have chosen. I thought a lot about this, and I have chosen similar island condition, which is near an industrious civilization or industrious uh, place. Uh, so I chose for it to be in Cuba. So I'm going to you to turn everything around, add new characters, add new elements, and make it happening in that vicinity or in that area. So, for example, a character similar to the hero of the anime is to be Cuban. Remember, just for a note, I'm not Cuban. I don't have any affiliation to anything there, but I feel like the condition of Cuba can be a place we can exploit our story there. So first, we will start with the original part of the story, original elements. Then we will go for modifying it. That's the last stage, and this last stage is going to branch out to different stages as well. Again, we will go through the first stages that we did, the concept art, base work, detail refinements, and final touches. So, so you can say that two things are going to happen: making the elements and then making our imagination. This will take a long time, and I'm planning to finish this as long as it takes. This is going to be my free time work. So within 3 hours almost, we are going to start this first step in our work. And this that time, which is I have in my, if you are following me in Twitch, you can see I have a schedule for these streams. I will make the schedule also in YouTube, but this is going to be our daily routine. So don't forget to follow me on Twitch and subscribe to the YouTube channel that you are watching now, and like my videos. And also, I'm also streaming on Kick. I'm trying to make an honest streaming platform out of Kick. I know there is lots of controversy, but I'm going to try to keep on streaming there until things are changed. You can chat with me on each and every one of them. I'm going to do my best to reply to you guys. So, so today we are going to just go over what we have right now. Uh, I found, I was lucky to find some. You can see here I have some references for some certain elements of the anime. You can see the airplanes. I have here the model board for some of the characters, which is not going to be enough for 3D, but we are going to create 3D references, sketches by ourselves. We have the side view and we have the somehow front view. We will modify everything so so we can do what is required. I think this is going to be the easiest part. This is going to be the easiest part in the work. Everything will be modeled. Uh, I am more conflicted whether I will go for the same style as as the original artist, or I will create my own based on this. But I will try my best to follow the style of the original work. Uh, uh, we are going to follow the same way we did in our last stream. We're going to make it as poly as possible so we can have more control over the geometry. We try our best to follow that, not to go for high poly, and we need to have them all ready for animation ready, the characters, everything. Okay, optimized workflow. I know the files will be big, but we will try our best to optimize our work. We even have reference for the birds. I'm very lucky to find this. I never thought I would. Okay, we will go one by one. Each character we will finish. We will put it in a environment. For example, this is the environment of. We will make like similar to a boss. Uh, we will do our best. So I don't want to extend this session. Uh, will stop here and start after 3 hours. 3 hours exactly. We are going to come back. Okay, so see you in 3 hours. All right. You can follow with me if you have a playlet downloaded. Just try to follow with me. If you want to join me in this project, by the way, if you want to join me in this project, just send me a message in chat or something. We can make this project. We can increase the team. We can work together. I'm in Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. So if you are in any of them, I'm ready to collaborate. Let's do it. But I have to make the first step. Okay? So see you later.
幸せの予感両手は掴む膨らみゆく希望両足はかけてゆく遥かな地平生きているから明日があるから